guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I am seriously so excited because we are going to be making some more bracelets. So about a year ago I made, I want to say my first or second video about these bracelets that I sell over on my Etsy, which is always linked down below, but it's just at Kellyprepster studio, so be sure to check it out. I'm so close to 500 sales over there, which is mind-blowing to me, and I'm so beyond excited about it. But I have a few orders to pack up. I currently have a fall sale going on, so if you guys use the code spooky season you get 20% off your order, which I think is always fun. I love shopping sales. It's going to be going on all throughout October, so be sure to add it to your cart, order it as soon as possible because I feel like they're going to be flying out the door, plus shipping takes a while, so you want to get it before Halloween and everything. I just think they're so fun. They make great little gifts. I also have scrunchies and everything. But anyways, the video that I uploaded last year is almost at 100,000 views. What? And a lot of you guys have been commenting, we want more bead videos. So that is what's gonna happen today. I ran to Walmart, so I have to share with you guys my bead haul. I also want to share with you guys my outfit. A little lazy day. I went to the gym this morning and just like had no motivation after. So I have on my, I like to call this my Thursday night football shirt. I wear it every Thursday now. Has a cute little football on it with my monogram on it. This is from United Monograms. It's seriously so cute. I love crew necks. And then I have on these little shorts. So these are like a Lululemon dupe. They have this super cute waistband. I got them from Shein. I think they're like 11 bucks. Such a steal. And then I just have on some Nike crew socks. And I saw, this is so weird, I always see people like folding their crew socks down and I don't really understand why. So if you guys know, please tell me. But ever since I got them, I've been folding mine down, and I'll be honest, they are a little bit more comfortable, but I just think it's such a look, and they're honestly so practical too. But that is enough about my fit. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I picked up from Walmart because I have some beads and everything I want to share with you guys. We have to organize some stuff. I'm going to set you guys down at my desk and go get everything out of its like drawers. Alright, you guys, so this looks like a lot more than what it really is. It's just two of the boxes. Here, I'm just going to show you guys because it makes more sense. I have repurposed these boxes. So these are the bead boxes that they come in, but I go through so many beads with all my sales that I use them to alphabetize all my letter beads. I love having them organized because they come in these little bags, and when I don't have them separated, I feel like it takes way longer to make some of the bracelets. So a fun thing to do once you run out of colors is to start organizing your letters. So I have these two, and you're probably like, oh my goodness, I have so many letter beads. But I always run out of the letter A and E and I, and I get their vowels, so it's like important. So I picked up 3 bags of the little letter beads. So these are 200 bead packs from Go Create. They sell them at Walmart. I think I paid $4 a bag, so it's not really that bad price wise. But considering there's not a ton of A's and I already have all the letters, I'm always like, oh my goodness, I just need some more A's and E's. So I bought 3 of these. I need to organize these into the little alphabetized containers. So I have these over here. That's going to be a little side job that we got to do today. But I also picked up another pack of their like original kit. So this is Go Create's pony beads. I think this is $13 or $14 at Walmart. I have bought this off Amazon before. Personally, I have more luck shopping on Amazon because they always have it, so I will have it linked down below. And honestly, sometimes I'm in a pinch of time with my Etsy orders. I'm like, I need to get it out ASAP. So I go to Walmart, and thankfully they had this because I just shipped out the cutest pink set of bracelets. I made 8 of them that said Barbie for a 5-year-old's Barbie themed birthday party. Like, I was like, oh, I'm so happy I get to like participate in this. So these colors were needed, and the pink is by far the most popular color, so I was like, okay. So anyways, that is the Walmart haul. I am so excited for this video because, like I said, I haven't made one of these for a while. I think the best thing to start doing is to organize the alphabet beads. So I'm gonna put my AirPods in so you guys can hear all the little bead clinking. I can still watch like a YouTube video or something, but I feel like these videos are just so satisfying to watch. And I forgot to mention, this is my bead drawer, and I just realized I have 2 more bags that I haven't organized in here, and I also have this dish that needs to get organized. So we're just gonna dump them all in here and watch a YouTube video and get them all sorted. putting my hair up. I have my tripod right here. I didn't even sort all the beads, but I went by and got all the A's, E's, and I's out because those are the letters that I was out of. And oh my goodness, look how many are in there. I think I had like 6 or 7 bags, and that's all the A's and all of them, how many E's I had and how many I's. So I definitely am not getting enough of these. I would go through these, but I've been spending the last 25 minutes organizing them, and I'm like, I have enough for this video, so this will be a project for another day just because it is just too many right now. So we're just gonna put these back in the drawer. But I have all of these really fun colored beads, and we're gonna make some really cute bracelets. I made a list of all of the bracelets, like little quotes that I want them to say. So this is going to be the list. I'm going to make some of these. I'm going to write them out. I got this tray with an old box of beads. So they used to come unattached. Like these all have lids now, but they used to come like this. It's the same brand and everything, but I'm going to write out the letters that are on this bracelet, and then I'm going to update you guys once I get that done. These are all of the words. I just pulled out all the letters. I find that this is really helpful, and now I'm going to pick a color for each one of these. So for example, for like Halloween, if I want to make it this fun orange color, I like to put the bead right next to it so that I can remember what color it is when I come down to making it. And also my string. This is like stretchy elastic bracelet string. I bought this at Walmart. I believe it's by the Go Create brand as well. And I will show you guys how I add this to make the bracelets. So if you guys have seen my bead bracelets before, I like to share with you guys what color I pick because I feel like there's some thought that goes into it. I picked this beautiful brown color for my Thankful bracelet. I like to make sure all of these colors kind of go well together since it is my fall line. I picked out this really metallic-y fun orange color for pumpkin, a sparkly orange for spice, this light tan color, which has been my favorite color so far for fall, a little clear crystally one for mama because I feel like that would be so cute for like a mom or give it to my mom. I picked out this white one for blessed, this little gray one for spooky because it reminds me of like a little ghost. I picked out this navy blue one just because I feel like it's such a pretty color for Faith, pink for inspire because honestly this one could be all year. And then I'm going to do a 2 colored pattern one of these 2 oranges for Halloween. The biggest trick when making these, I don't cut the string off of the little spool until I have all the beads on it. So you guys will see that in this video, but it's really helpful for saving string and not using too much, but also it makes it easier tying it because they don't like fall off the end. goodness, you guys. So I started filming this video an hour and a half ago and I got all my bracelets made. I'm seriously so excited. I also had 2 bracelets for 2 different Etsy orders that I made as well. So I'm going to share with you guys what the bracelets all look like. I'm going to try my best to add these to my Etsy, like create the listings, but I have to take product photos and upload them and everything. So I'm going to put that on tomorrow's to-do list because I still have to edit this video because it's going up the same day, which is so crazy. I'm doing daily videos for the month of October in case you guys didn't know, so definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when my daily video goes live. But they're seriously so cute. They're so much fun to make. So if you guys want one, be sure to check out my shop. Again, they're 20% off right now, so that is a pretty good deal in my opinion. So really fun. I love making them. I love sending them to you guys because I do write little personalized notes with it as well, and it's just such a fun thing. It's like such a fun way to connect with you guys. But also, if you guys are into making bracelets, it's such a fun thing to do and they make great little gifts. So I'm going to share with you guys all the bracelets that I just made. And I've had seriously the best view this whole time I've been making it. Like the sun's starting to set and the clouds are just so stunning, and I've just been sitting here in awe. But the bracelets that I made, first one is this one and it says spice. I think this is so cute and I love how sparkly and orange this is. Aren't my nails so fun and sparkly, you guys? I love them. Oh my gosh. So then I made this orange one called pumpkin. I like that. I think it's like a fun pumpkin color. I think all of these colors really go well together. Then I have this one called thankful. Then we did Halloween, and I like this one because it has 2 different colors. And then I did inspire. I love this little pink. I feel like this would look so cute as a little arm candy stack. Then I did the spooky. I love the shade of gray. I feel like this is the same color as our walls, so I'm just a sucker for it. Then we have blessed, fall. I think this color is really fun too. I love wearing this in the fall. And then faith for like Thanksgiving time, and then the mama one. I just feel like that's just a fun one. So these will all be listed. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And then these are the 2 that I made for Etsy. So Jennifer ordered this Bella bracelet. I love it. It's the prettiest shade of pink. And then Faith ordered the That Girl bracelet that's listed on my Etsy. So fun. Thank you so much for ordering. But I'm going to be ending this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I love sharing these videos with you guys. You guys seem to really enjoy them as well. We can make bracelets together, like you can be making them while you're watching this video. I think that's so cool. It just blows my mind that that's a possibility. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys!